Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can get rid of those dark knuckles with just these super effective ingredients that I will be revealing to you. It works like magic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and you can also hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified on any of my video. Thank you. So the first ingredients will be lemon, baking soda, bicarbonate baking soda, sugar, and turmeric powder. So these are 4 great super ingredients that will get rid of your dark knuckles in just 1 week. So the next thing you'll be needing is a small plastic container. With a spoon. And a knife. Now all you have to do is to cut your lemon . This is very effective. Try this at home and thank me later. Now once you are done sieving the lemon juice, pour it into this small plastic plate. Now add 1 spoon full of bicarbonate baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. One spoonful of sugar. Oops, sorry. That's good. Now you stir. Make sure to stir very well until the ingredients are completely mixed together. Apply this all over your knuckles and give it a very good scrub. After applying this, you will allow it to sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes before washing it off. This is an effective home remedy for fading off dark knuckles very fast. Apply this daily for 7 days and you will see an amazing result. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and comment below. Feel free to share your own recipe for getting rid of your own dark knuckles. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.